waves. So can you make it move? Yeah, and sometimes the waves are really calm, and sometimes they're really fast and really big. Whoa. Yeah, sometimes the water makes a whirlpool, so can you make your scarf go round and round? Yeah, Diane. And sometimes the water is really little and it's really calm. Yeah. And then a little bit of magic happens. In our dance, our waves turn us into a rainbow fish. So you're going to take your scarf, your colourful scarf, and you're going to become a rainbow fish swimming in the sea. Okay, so you can go anywhere you like, up and down, all the way around. But I want you to dance as if you're swimming like a really colourful fish. Yeah, and your fish might go round. Good, it might do big stretches. It might swim down low on the floor. Good, it might shake its tail. Okay, so we're going to be waves, like the water, and we're going to turn into nice rainbow fish. Are you ready? Yeah! All ready, so we're going to start off calm, from side to side. Yeah, and then our waves are going to get a bit bigger, so they're going to go up